Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special Android 10 system for Chevy Malibu 2016 to 2020 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface, and it comes with special harness. These two harnesses will come with head unit together. Okay, and this LAN cable, this connect canvas box, and this LAN cable you can check this connector, and there. Okay, and it also comes with canvas box. Okay. You can check it built-in microphone and reset home. You can choose the time. You can choose the logo, also Navi. Settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of a car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose Chevrolet. Choose the logo. Okay, it's change the logo and choose Belsee. You can edit this with gray color, any color. You can adjust this panel, blue and red and pink, yellow. Okay, all apps are here. It's built-in amplifier, Bluetooth, Google Maps, and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, this is the link app for wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check PX6 Android 10 system. Okay. You can long press get the app. You can choose custom apps, and this pin number 40. Let me test the Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, enable Bluetooth from your phone. Click search button to search the device. Connect. Your phone will get the message. Please put 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth phone call. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth streaming music from your phone. The head unit will come with 2 USB. You can check. There are 2 USB and connect one of USB cable. show USB icon, it will play music automatically. Okay. This DSP amplifier with sub control. With EQ, you can adjust sound balance. Okay, and play the video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, choose the car settings, navigate. Drum settings, turn on the watch video, and play video game. It is supposed to play 4K video. This is 4K video. Okay. And this APK installer, you can install APK, Z-Link app and other apps, and can install local, choose USB, and Z-Link app for wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And it's built in Google Maps and Play Store. You can download the Play Store. It's radio, search the radio stations. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. Okay, thank you.